The Lincoln Electric Viking 2450 Series Welding Helmet offers advanced lens technology for a clearer and more accurate view of the welding arc and puddle, significantly improving weld quality. With its expansive 9.3 square inch auto darkening lens, this helmet provides a wide field of view, enhancing safety and versatility in various welding applications. The unique X6 Headgear design ensures superior comfort by distributing the helmet's weight evenly across 6 key points, preventing pressure buildup and providing a customized fit. An innovative low-profile external grind button on the helmet allows for seamless switching between welding and grinding modes, enhancing productivity without needing to remove gloves. The helmet is backed by an impressive 5-year warranty, offering peace of mind and protecting your investment for a substantial period. Lincoln Electric's commitment to quality is evident in the durable construction and thoughtful design of the Viking 2450 series, making it a reliable choice for both professional and hobbyist welders.